Today we're going to work a little bit more with density. We had done a couple of experiments with density. So this experiment, you're going to need salt, you're going to need water, a little bit of food coloring, a teaspoon and a tablespoon, 2 different sizes, and a dropper of some sort, if you can get one, or a syringe. So what I did is I put in this cup 1 teaspoon of salt with some blue food coloring. And this one I put 1 tablespoon, half a cup of water each, mix them all up. You can see some of the salt on the side from me mixing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to see whether we think the water with salt is more dense than the water without salt. And if so, what do you think it's going to do? If it's more dense, what should it do as opposed to being less dense? So I'm going to take some, I'll do the less salt first. Now my dropper doesn't work very well, so I'm going to have to, can you see that? Can you see the blue? You know what, I'm going to do this. Put some white behind it. Because of course, I'm wearing a blue shirt. So can you see that? I'm going to put some down the bottom, do some way from the top. Can you see that blue going down? All right, so you can observe what you think is happening with the blue water. I think I know what I'm observing it doing. I'm going to try some of the red water. And I should have planned better with my clothing for today. And I'm going to take some of the red water. So this is the water that has more salt in it. So look at the speed. Look at how fast that water is falling. Does it fall slower or faster than the other water? Let's go back and try some of the blue water and see. Let's see. I wish I had 2. I would do them at the same time. Maybe you can try that, but watch. Well, that one, first one did fast. That one did a little faster. I wonder if it depends on where it is. Oh yeah. You do it up higher, it seems to go down slower. Interesting. All right, now I'm going to try one more thing. I'm going to see if I can put some of the less salty water, the water with less salt, into the water with more salt. So, what do you think is going to happen here? Let's try, let's see. Ooh, that didn't go down, did it? Or it did a little bit. And then it goes back up. So this water, this blue water, watch it. It's floating on the top of the red water because of the fact the densities are different. The density of the water with more salt is more dense, and the density of the water with less salt, the blue water, is less dense. So look at it sits on top of it. So I want you guys to try this at home. Play around with it, and maybe you could mix your water with sugar and try it with sugar water and see if that changes, if that makes the density of water and sugar water any different than water and salt water. So have fun.